Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I am going to be teaching you how to reverse a TikTok video. This is super easy to do and does not require any additional apps or third-party websites. You can do this all within the TikTok app. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. So let's open up the TikTok app and then I am going to tap on this plus icon at the bottom center of the screen. And then you can do this with your own TikTok video or you can select any video from your gallery. So for the purpose of this video, I am going to import a video that I downloaded from the internet. So tap on upload, and I am simply going to select this video. And what you want to do now is tap on this effects option on the right side of the screen. And you will see a bunch of effects that you can use on your video. So what you want to do now is simply scroll through these options at the very bottom, and you will see an option called time. So tap on that and go over to that section. And now all you have to do is tap on this reverse option over here, and that effect will be applied to your TikTok video. And as you can see now, my video is playing in reverse, and then you can tap on this save option at the top right. And now you can post this. So that's it for this tutorial. It's really quick and easy to do this. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if you enjoyed the video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more helpful content like this. Thanks so much for watching and have a good day.